How to wear multiple hairs on Roblox. Welcome to Glitz and let's get right into this video. To wear multiple hairs on Roblox, firstly you need to head on to your Roblox. For this, search for roblox.com or just tap open your Roblox application. Make sure that you are logged in or signed in into your account. Tap on the three horizontal line and head on to inventory. In your left hand side, you will see some of the categories. Scroll down until you find the option of hairs and tap on it. You will find some of the free hairstyles that you can make your avatar try it on. Just tap on the try on option just below the hairstyle. Now, once the avatar has wear on it, search for another hairstyles that you can try it on. In that case, firstly, you will have to purchase it if you have not yet. Once it is purchased, tap on Try On. Then you need to refresh the website. By this way, you will see that your avatar is wearing multiple hairs. And that is as simple as it sounds. And it's the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.